Hello everyone, my name is Ronak and you're watching VectoArt. So in today's video, we will take a look on how to add and lay out some controls in Avalonia UI. And we are going to use the same code that we started in the previous videos where we are trying to create a music store app, and we discussed about how to create a modern looking UI, which is this borderless UI with transparent effect. And if you haven't checked out that video, please do check out this series. And moving ahead, let's start with this video. And also, for those who haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, it means a lot. So let's start by adding a button to the main window. The button will allow the users to purchase music in order to add to their collection. In the main.xaml file, change the code as follows. So let's start by adding a button. Okay, we have our button. Let's do this instead. So notice that we have set the content property to of the button to buy music, and also we have set the property called command to binding buy music command. If you remember earlier in the section about MVVM, we discussed how the views use bindings to talk to the view model. This binding expression is saying that when a button is clicked, then execute the command called buy music command on the view model. So let's go to the view model and open the main window view model.cs and add the following code. So this is already open. So let's remove this. Let's add. And use the IntelliSense to add the rest of the code. So the I command interface requires system.windows.input, but you will need the additional namespaces specified at the top later on this tutorial. So press the debug button again to run the program, and we can see soon that we'll have a button, and when clicked, setting a breakpoint inside the buy music command code, we can see that the code is executed when it is hit. We are encountering some errors. Let's see what errors we have. Okay, so the problem was that the button was outside the panel, and that's the reason we had that error. And I fixed it by moving it inside the panel now, and the content issue is now resolved. So now when I run the application, so you'll see our button here. Okay, so next, let's position the button to the top right of the screen and make it look a bit nicer. So let's do it. And here you can see we have a preview window, and about this I have made a video on how to achieve this designer preview. So please check that video as well. So place the button element inside the panel, which we did. And the simplest way to do position is this is to add a margin of say 40, and let's say an horizontal alignment of right and vertical alignment of say top. So doing so, we added a margin of 40 to the button so that the button is not right at the edge of the window. And we also added a horizontal alignment of right and a vertical alignment of top, so we have a button on top. You may also prefer to have an icon or an image instead of the text inside your button. So there are few ways to do this. Let's grab a store icon from Avalonia Fluent icons. So I will leave a link to the description in this for this. So we have these Fluent icons for Avalonia in the GitHub repository, and they have several icons here available. So let's scroll through all this page and find an icon you like, and then simply copy the code provided. For us, we need a buy similar to a buy icon, so let's search for that. So let's say find say store. So I found this Microsoft Store icon. So let's copy this code. Let's create now to utilize this in our application. We have to follow a few steps, so let's do that. Let's go to Solution Explorer, right click on the project and go to add and say new item. Go to Avalonia and say select Avalonia styles. Let's give this a name, so let's say icons and click on add. A new XAML file will be created that we can put styles and icons inside. So here add the icons that we copied from there. So let's enter here and add a style element, and inside that style element let's create a child element called style dot resources. And then inside this resources, let's paste the geometry that we copied from the GitHub place. So now we have one more thing to do, and that is to go to the app.xaml and add a style include that so that the icons XAML can be loaded. So let's go here and say style include. Let's provide the source, and the source is AVARES. It's short for Avalonia resources. And let's add colon double slash Avalonia dot. Let's give a project name, music store slash icons dot axaml. Okay, so I've built it now. And then let's return back to the main window.xaml, and now we have to include the icon that we have created. So let's go to the button and remove this content. Now we do not need it, and let's close this, uh, do this, and let's close this button like this. And now inside this path button, let's add a path icon, and let's set the data to a static resource, all store. Let's take the name from the file, and let's close this and close the path icon. So let's save this and let's run the application. And now you can see a nice looking icon on the button. So hope you all liked watching this video. If you do, please do subscribe to my channel. It means a lot. Next, in the next video, we will take a look on how to open a dialog box when we click on this newly created button. So hope you all liked watching this video. Like, share, and share the love. Bye bye.